It is time. It is time to disturb the neighborhood for just a moment. Let me test ride this thing. Alright, so there's one thing about it, which is I've immediately noticed, which is you get on it and the front end does not compress at all. And I don't know if I can adjust that to a degree with these preset things here or what. I'll have to look that up. But yeah. I assumed I might need different springs for the forks in the front, and you know, we'll get to that, but it goes straight, dude. It goes straight. Awesome. It's loud. It is so loud. It's quick. I'm barely touching the throttle, dude. This thing is quick. Yeah, this suspension is stiff. I'm just bouncing. But boy, does this thing have some power.